Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Log In. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Polkawallet account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Polkawallet account, firstly go ahead and open up your Polkawallet application. The official page of Polkawallet application will appear on the screen. Skip the pages by tapping on next to the end and tap on enter Polkawallet. Click on Create Account option. Click on and one of the options. On the next page, write down or save your mnemonic code. Make sure that you don't screenshot as it may be collected by third-party malware resulting in asset loss. On the next page, enter your mnemonic code you saved before and tap on next. Now enter your name, create a password, confirm your password by re-entering it and tap on next. In case if you want to enable your fingerprint or Face ID, tick mark on the box that says Enable Fingerprint or Face ID. This is how you can create an account on Polkawallet quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.